Hi, did you watch my last video about Dutch articles? No? Please watch it first. You find the link in the description below. But now I have a question for you. You and me both in the same room. The room has 2 windows. It is very hot inside. What would you ask? Philip, kun je een raam openen? Can you open a window? Of kun je het raam openen? Can you open the window? So, what would you choose? Een raam of het raam? Please think about it. Do you know the answer? Okay. You're right, but not quite. Let me explain. How does it work? Before you're going to choose which article to use, you need to ask yourself, Philip, do you already know which raam I want you to open? If answer yes, you're going to use het. But how would I know? We have 2 windows, A and B. A could be broken, so there is only one window which can open. B, or other way around. B is broken and A can be opened. So in this case, we both already know which window I can open, right? But there is another option. There are 2 windows and both can open. You can say, Philip, kun je een raam openen? What does it mean? It means it doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter to you. So, een means that I can choose this one, window A, or this one, window B. It doesn't matter to you. Een raam, a window, any window available in this room. Is it difficult? I don't think so. But there is another situation. We have only one window. It is very hot inside. So, what would you ask? Kun je het raam openen? Of kun je een raam openen? Think about it. Het raam of een raam? Do you know the answer? Let's check it. Sometimes it is obvious from the situation. Maybe I don't know yet, but it's obvious from the situation that there is only one, so I mean this one. In that case, you can use definite article. Kun je het raam openen? Is it difficult? No? Then I have a question for you. Jij en ik zijn in een restaurant. You and are in a restaurant. So, what would you ask? Waar is de wc? Of waar is een wc? So, what would you ask? Please post your answer in the comments below. And I see you in the next video.